Alright guys, I greet you. My name is Beginner Trader and I welcome you guys to this channel. If it's your first time of seeing my video, please give it a like and a follow. Here we discuss everything about forex trading, and today we'll be doing something a little bit different from what we have been doing in this channel. We've been talking about my trading system and my trade recap, how my trading went for the week ever since we created this channel. But today we're going to be doing something different, and this video is for new traders, beginner traders. If you're just coming into forex trading, or you just heard about forex trading and you don't know how to start your journey, today I'll be walking you guys through on how to create a demo account and practice with it. Paper money. It's not a real money, paper money, but you can practice and study with it. Today we'll be focusing mainly on MT5. We have MT4, we have MT5. Both can be used to trade. But today we'll be focusing on MT5 because MT5 is a higher version of MT4. Though many people still prefer MT4, but me, I'm trading with MT5. So I'll be walking you guys through on how to create a demo account, any amount you want with your MT5 account, then you can practice with it. This is my first video of teaching traders on how to do something, but I think since I've started this video, I'll be doing it. I will be talking about many topics, even my strategy. I will also do a video about my strategy, all the strategies I've traded before, all of them. I'll put it out there so that if you are a trader who is still confused and looking for how to, still having issue with strategy, then you can pick a strategy from the video and focus on. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the topic of today. Okay, so if you don't already have this app on your phone, first of all you have to go to Play Store and download the app. So if you don't already have this app on your phone, first of all you have to go to Play Store and download the app. And when you go to Play Store, this is how the app will look. So this is the app. This is how the app will look like. But I already have it on my phone, but it's not up to date. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to update this app. So on your phone, if you don't have it, what you will see here is install. So you just click the install. The app will install on your phone. So we are downloading now. So my app is up to date now. What I'll do now is I'll click this open, and now we are in MetaTrader 5. This is my account. This is profile anyway. If you look at it, you will see GFT. This is 5K account. I've only taken let me see. I've only taken one trade, on this account, as you can see. So these two trades, this €0 last trade, this 0.08 and $2 is just testing. I was teaching someone something, so I had to use the account for, to show the guy how to place a trade. But this one trade you see here, that is the only trade I've taken on this account. So though I'm not going to be teaching you guys anything in this account. So if you just download your MT5, and log in here, you won't see anything here. So what you are going to do is click on these three dots here, then click, you will see this plus button that is here, this plus button. You click on it, then here, all this broker that you see here, they are here because I've used all these things. In your own, everything will be empty. So all you need to do is this place that they wrote find broker. You just go there and search Meta. You see MT5 Meta Quotes Limited. The first one, that is the one you are going to, click this one, you know. So click on it. You will see open a demo account. You just click on the open a demo account. So here you just read you just fill the information that they're asking you here. Here they say first name. So all I'm going to do here is put my first name, second name, select date of birth. I'm just going to use anything here. And they say phone number. You just have to put your phone number. Email, you put your email. My email is here. My email is here because I already have accounts here. And this place here, this place where they write this Forest Edge GBP, you will change it to USD because USD is what you want to be, trading. Then at this leverage, you just have to leave it at this 1:100. That is okay. Leave it at 1:100. Then at this 100K, you have to change it. Just choose any amount that you can afford, even as a prop firm or as your own personal capital. So I'm going to use 5K because I'm going to choose 5K because 5K beginners can always get a 5K prop firm account. So I will choose 5K, and then I'll click this accepted here. You see this box, this tiny box here. Click on it. It will shine blue. Then you click on register. So you can see your login, your password, investor password, but all these things you don't need it because this account will actually be inside this your account. So you just click done, and voila, you have your demo account, 5K account. When you click on this trade, you see the account. Okay, then you can click on this quote here, this quote here, and you will see all the pairs that is here. So if you already have your preferred pairs that you trade, there is a way you can customize it and leave only the pairs that you are trading. So this is what you are going to do. You click on this this pen that is here, then click on this delete bucket that is here. You will start picking the ones, all the pairs. Me, I trade Euro USD and GBP USD. All the pairs that you don't trade, just click them, then click on delete. Voila, you just have only Euro USD and GBP USD. And when you go back, you can see. So when you want to take trade, you don't have to be looking, you just have your trade or your pairs here already. So you can place a trade. So when you click this market here, you will see all the types of trade you can set. You can see market execution. That means instant execution. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. This is your lot size, and this is where you put your TP, and this is where you put your SL. You know, once you fill them, put your lot size, put your TP, put your SL, then you can click buy or sell, and that is it. You are good to go. So this is how to create a demo account. In my next video, I will be teaching you guys how to create a demo account with a broker, you know, like Fundedness, AutoFS, all those brokers. I'll be making a video on how to create a demo account with them, you know, and then logging it into MetaTrader 4. Then after that, we can do a video of real account, you know. So I'll be stopping this video here. I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Please, if it's your first time coming across this YouTube channel, please give us a like and a follow, and we'll see you in our next video. Peace.